Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make or to insert sparklines in Excel. So sparklines are in three. We have the sparklines, which are the lines, and we have the column, and then we have the win stroke slash rows. So let's get into it. So this is how the sparklines will look like. So let me show you how to do them. I just go back and do this one. So to insert a sparklines, the best way is to highlight where you want the sparklines to be. So I want them to be on these cells. So I'll highlight all the cells. Then I'll come here on insert, click on insert, and then here you will see sparklines. You can either decide to choose the line, column, win, or loss, depending on what you have been asked to insert. For example, I want to insert the line one. I'll click on line. And then it will ask me what is the data range. I'll come here and select this, all of this, the data range. I want the marks for math and all to history to show me the sparklines. I click OK, and we have our sparklines here. When you get the sparklines, you can edit them in a way that you want them to be. So for example, you can say I want to see the high point, and you can see a high point here. These are the high points. Even here we have the high points, the one that are marked by red. You can also decide you want to see the row points. You just click row points, and you have the row points has also been selected. You can also say I want to see the first and the last point, and you'll see them there. You can also say I want markers. Yes, the markers will show you all the data points. For example, we have this data point here, and so far. Something else you can do, you can also change the markers color here. You can click here and say I want markers for markers. You can select the color you want for the high point. Let me say I want for the high point to be green, and as you can see, the high points have green values. Also, if I want for the low points, I want them to be, you can decide them to be, let's say, yellow. You can click on yellow like that. Yes, also we have styles. You can click here and see which style makes you the one that you want. I would prefer this one. Let me click on the one I prefer this one. I click it. You can see it has changed. So that's how you create the sparklines in Excel. So the next thing you can do, you can come here and edit the data points depending. I want to edit the group location, the stuff. But for us, we're not going to do that. So I want us to change the sparklines to be in column. So I'll click here. On the type here, I'll click columns, and it changes to columns. If I don't want the columns, I want the win stroke class. I click win stroke class, and that's how you do it. You can undo these ones if you don't want them to appear. Yes. But most cases I would prefer having the run. The run one is much easier to understand. Since you can see it's a trend, it gives us a trend. For example, you can see here math. In all these, we have science is the lowest and history, and so far and so far and so far. So that's how we do it. Thank you, and please subscribe. See you soon in another video. Thank you.